English topic, Giggles the little bug. So children, so let us see how Giggles got this name little bug. Little bug means what? A person who litters his surroundings. Okay. So now why he got this name? So through this lesson let us learn, and this is about how we can keep our surroundings clean. So what is the importance? Giggles' mother will teach him because he used to litter the place there. So he used to throw the things here and there. So where we should throw the waste? We should throw it in the dustbin, isn't it? In the litter bin. Instead he used to throw on the ground here and there wherever he liked. After eating chocolates, wrappers and all, he used to throw here and there. So let's see what happens when he went to park with his mother one day. So let us see there what happens. So one day he went to park with his mother. Wow, this is such a clean and green park, he said. I like the clean fresh air, he's saying by seeing that one. So even you will go to park, no children. So how will be the park? It will be clean, isn't it? You should not throw the things. You should not throw the wrappers after eating. We should throw it in the dustbin. So like that we can keep the surroundings clean there. So then and then after reaching there, he's very happy, saying that I like the clean and green park. I love the fresh air. And best of all, I love the swings in this park. Giggles, what's that you just did? So he's throwing the wrapper on the ground, he's saying, and best of all, I love the swings in this park. Even you go to park, no children, so you love to play, the children love to play in the park, in the seesaw maybe, and the swings and all. So Giggles also very happy on seeing the swing. He's saying that the best of all, I love the swings in the park, he's saying. But what he's doing is throwing the wrapper on the ground here. So his mother noticed, she will tell, Giggles, what's that you just did? She will ask. And then enjoying his lollipop, you can see lollipop in his hands. He's saying, what did I do? He's asking. He's enjoying, he's eating his lollipop, he's licking the lollipop and he's saying, what did I do? He's asking. You threw the wrapper, you threw the wrapper of your lollipop on the ground, she's saying. She noticed that one, no? So she's saying, you threw the wrapper of your lollipop on the ground. Does it look nice there? She's asking. No, he knew that we should not throw, but still he did that one. And then he will tell, no. Where should you throw it? In the litter bin, he will tell. In the dustbin, in the litter bin you should throw, he will tell. And then, that's good. If all of us start throwing our garbage outside instead of using the litter bin, do you know what would happen? She's asking. She's making him understand. If everyone throws the garbage in the outside, what happens? So, do you know what would happen? She's asking. Then he will tell, yes mummy, the park will become dirty, he will tell. And he will throw the wrapper in the dustbin there. Okay. Yes, it will not be the clean and green park that you like. So when Giggles entered the park, he said, no, what a clean and green park. So she's saying, everyone starts throwing the garbage on the street, in the outside. If they, in the surroundings, if we throw, what happens? It won't be clean and green park what you wished before. So she will tell like that. And then he will understand. He will understand we should not litter the things. We should not make the surroundings dirty there by throwing the things like that. He will, and by throwing the waste, he will understand. I will always be careful, he will tell to his mother. So he will tell, he will understand, he will tell, I will always be careful. I don't want to be a little bug. I don't want to be a little bug. I shall tell the same thing to all my friends as well, he will tell. I will tell my friends not to litter the place. So and then he will agree. Whatever his mother will teach him, he will follow that one. And then Giggles also understands that plants are good for our Mother Earth. He understands that plants make our surroundings beautiful. He understood that plants make our surroundings beautiful. Do you know how plants grow? Let us know through the poem The Little Plant. The little plant, in the heart of a seed, buried deep so deep, a dear little plant lay passes sleep. You can see the how plant grows, children, here in the heart of a seed, buried deep so deep. You can see in the soil how the seed is buried, and then wakes at the sunshine. When the sunrise falls on the seed, wakes at the sunshine and creep to the light, wakes at the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard and it rose to see. And the little plant rose and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. what happened? The little plant heard and it rose to see the world, wonderful outside world, how it might be. So like that, the little bug understands how plants make our surroundings clean, and how it keeps the surroundings clean and also beautiful. How the plants and trees makes the surroundings beautiful. He will learn, and also he will know. He will also tell his mother that here afterwards he will not make the surroundings dirty by throwing the waste in the surroundings. He will agree that well. Okay, children. I hope you have understood. Read the lesson. Okay, without making mistakes. Just pronounce the words. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.